Indianapolis a few days behind, the racing teams who had responded to the Monza challenge start the long trip to Italy. Landing in Genoa, the cars are transported to Monza, a suburb of Milan. The Monza Oval has two 38-degree banked turns with a front and back straightaway. Brian qualifies his Dean Van Line's car and discovers that speeds of 170 miles per hour average can be easily attained. But worried mechanics observe cracks in car frames and split gas tanks as a result of high speed on the uneven turns. 9 American and 3 European cars line up for the start. For reasons best known to themselves, a large majority of the top European competitors have chosen to sit this one out. The Scottish team of Écurie Écossais, consisting of drivers Jack Fairman, John Lawrence, and Ninian Sanderson, all in dark blue D Jaguars, produced the only foreign competition. At the start, Jack Fairman leads by 100 yards, but from then on, the Americans dominate the field. The lead passes from Sachs to Bettenhausen, to O'Connor, and then to Bryan, and that's where it stays. Bryan drives the 62 laps of the first heat at an average of 162.1 miles per hour. An hour goes by and the second heat begins. Bryan duels with O'Connor and Sachs, but again takes the lead on the 44th lap. 6 American cars are out of competition, and it begins to look as though the British entries might win by just sitting at the back of the pack, waiting for mechanical problems to force their competitors out of the race. Bryan sticks his foot deeper into the throttle and lengthens his lead. His Dean Van Line special is taking a terrific pounding on the washboard surface. But the second heat is finished with Bryan the winner. In the third heat, Pat O'Connor drops from the race. Now the 3 British and 3 American cars are matched. Troy Ruttman takes the lead as Bryan trails him, with Johnny Parsons running third. At the moment, Bryan has a 2-lap overall edge, but could still lose the race through mechanical failure. He must now do everything he can to hold the punishment on his Dean Van Line special to a minimum, but still keep Ruttman in sight. The race ends with Ruttman half a lap ahead. He wins the third heat. But Jimmy Bryan and the Dean Van Line's racing team is the overall winner of the first Race of 2 Worlds at Monza, Italy.